All right, what's up, y'all? Thanks for checking out the video. We got our room upgraded to a new room with a balcony. So no more porthole, we've got a balcony. Great room. It's the same room as before. I'll go ahead and give you guys a quick tour of that, but it is the exact same room as on the 5,000 deck. As you can see, bathroom, same thing, shower, exact same thing. We are now on the 10,000 deck. And the 10,000 deck has, this is closet space. Oops. You get two of these, one here, mirror, one right here. The only difference between this room and the other room is porthole option or back porch option. So let's check out the star of the show, the back porch. Great view. We're on the non-sunny side of the ship, so it kind of cools down in the afternoon, which is not bad. But artwork's a little bit different, but still kind of the same motif. Everything is pretty much exactly the same as the other room, and we dig it.